Hello, and welcome back to a new video. Apparently we have another Frenchy car, corgi toy, Peugeot 205 Turbo 1.6. It's not much to be done on this one. It is a little bit broken here. Casting is a bit broken here and the other side as well, but his inside looks like it's there. Screen is good, just need a good clean and polish. Missing one of these halo lights. We'll see what we're gonna do about it. Otherwise not much. Lights there, so it will be pretty much straightforward. Just oh, there you go, the pillars as well here front, they're broken, both of them, and this one and this one. Yeah, both of them are broken. So yeah, we have a little bit casting to be fixed, but otherwise not much. So it will be a quick video, guys. I will see you later on. Bye for now. Here we are, guys. We are back with our Peugeot 205 Turbo 16. We are done. We are yellow. We fixed the fog light as well. The one which was missing is just sorry about that, is this one. So we put the fourth one there, is there, all good. We did a little bit of stickers on it, not too heavy, not too many, just a little bit on it. We polished the window. Here's the interior, engine bay, a little bit of details onto the back bumper. Did this one with the black lights. Inside I didn't do much, just a little bit of details onto the steering, chromed the display inside. So yeah, not much, guys. This is our Peugeot. Hope you like it, guys. If you do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't by now, and yeah, as I usually said to everyone, guys, come back for more video. I will see you next time. Bye for now.